day, our esteemed investors. I am Karil Balagulan Amnasa, and today we are presenting the Bukidnon Premium Fresh Milk, a high quality and nutritious dairy from yours truly, Bukidnon, Philippines, that targeting the Thailand market. Now, why Thailand? We confidently chose Thailand because of its growing demand for dairy products, rising middle class, and a strong ASEAN trade relations. Our study focused on market demand, competition, and entry feasibility. And based on our research, we found strong and realistic potential for success in this market. Now, let us move to the market opportunity. Thailand presents a strong and promising opportunity due to its increasing demand for fresh and nutritious milk, driven by rising health awareness and higher income levels among consumers. In fact, did you know that Thailand still relies significantly on imported dairy products? This creates a clear and existing market gap that Bukidnon Premium Fresh Milk is well positioned to fill. Now, for our target market, we are strategically focusing on middle to high income consumers, health conscious individuals, families and urban consumers, cafes, and milk tea businesses. Now, let us highlight the key insights from our research. First, consumers are actively looking for high quality but affordable milk products, which allows us to confidently put Bukidnon Premium Fresh Milk as a mid-range premium fresh product in the market. Second, there is a strong and growing preferences for fresh and natural products which perfectly matches the core strength of our product. Lastly, although competition in Thailand is strong, the key question is, where is the real opportunity? There is a clear gap between cheap local milk and expensive imported brands. And this is exactly where Bukidnon Premium Fresh Milk can confidently compete and establish its presence.
Good day, investors. I'm Aijin Mercader Coino. Now let's talk about competitive positioning. In Thailand, the dairy market is already very competitive. There are two main types of competitors. First is the local Thai brand. This products is very affordable, widely available, and have strong customer loyalty. And the second, we have imported brands from countries like Australia and New Zealand. These are known for their very high quality product, but they are also more expensive. So the question is, where does Bukidnon Dairy Milk fit in? Our product will position itself in the middle. We offer better quality than local brands but at a more affordable price than imported products. What makes us different is that our milk is fresh and less processed. It is more natural, which appeals to health-conscious consumers. We will also highlight our unique identity as a product from Bukidnon, Philippines, which adds to our brand story. Our target market includes cafes, milk tea shops, and consumer who wants high-quality milk at a reasonable price.
A pleasant day, investors. I am Maria Filomena B. Paeg. In terms of trade and compliance, for our product to enter Thailand, we need to follow important rules and requirements. The first one is the Thai Food and Drug Administration or FDA. Kini siya nga agency sa Thailand is gina-ensure nila ang product safety, proper labeling, and good for people to consume. Meaning, before nato ibaligya ang atong product dito sa Thailand, we must ensure that it is safe, proper labeled, and good to consume by the consumers. Second is we also have the Association of Southeast Asian Nations or ASEAN, which helps countries like Philippines and Thailand have easier trade since ang ASEAN is naaman siya agreements between countries, then mas sayon sa country ng Philippines and Thailand ang pag-import o pag-export of product. After that, our product also have key requirements before it can be sold in Thailand. The first is product registration and approval. Dili man pwede nga diretso-diretso na lang ta as a seller mag-sell sa atong product dito sa Thailand. Of course, we must need an approval or registration, or we will undergo due process before selling our products in Thailand. Second is the Thai language labeling. Since our product came from Philippines, specifically in Bukidnon, we can just put Bisaya as our language labeling. Okay, since ang ato ang target consumers is ang Thai people, we should also put Thai language as in our labeling when it comes to our ingredients, nutrition facts, and our expiration dates so that understandable ra sa mga Thai consumers ang language. Third is the certificate of origin, which proves that our milk comes from the Philippines para ma-recognize sa ato ang consumers, sa atong Thai consumers, nga ang product nga ilang gi-purchase originally came from Philippines. Lastly is the halal certification from Thailand's Islamic Council. This shows that our product is allowed for our Muslim consumers para mas daghan na makapamalit, especially dito sa Muslim market. After our key requirements, our product has also risked in entering the Thailand country. First is that fresh milk is perishable, so it needs cold storage and proper transport. Second is strong competition because Thailand has already local dairy brands. Third is regulatory delay, meaning the approval process might take time because of strict rules.
Now, let's move on to our market entry strategy. First, our mode of entry is through partnering with a local distributor in Thailand. This will help us enter the market faster and handle logistics and regulations more efficiently. Second, our pricing strategy is mid-range. Our product will be priced higher than local milk but lower than imported premium brands. This allows us to stay competitive while maintaining quality. Third, for distribution, we will focus on supplying cafe, milk tea shop, and small businesses. These segments requires fresh milk regularly and are ideal for our product. We will also use cold chain logistics such as refrigerated storage and transport to maintain the freshness and quality of our milk. To reduce risk, we will start with a small-scale launch or trial run. This allows us to test the market before expanding further. Lastly, our branding will focus on freshness, natural quality, and our origin from Bukidnon. This will help us stand out and build trust with customers.
Good day, respected investors. I'm Alexis Kai Tumbahe. In this presentation, I will explain our strategic justification. So this plan is expected to work because Bukidnon produces high-quality fresh milk that is known for its freshness and natural quality. With a stable supply from local farms and the use of proper cold chain logistics, we can ensure that the products remains fresh during export. In addition, Thailand has a strong and growing demand for dairy products, which creates a valuable opportunity for our product to enter and compete in the market. At the same time, this plan supports local farmers and contributes to the growth of the local economy, making it only profitable but also sustainable. So, because of these factors, we are confident that this strategy is strong, practical, and has a high potential for success in the Thai market.
To conclude, Bukidnon Dairy Milk has a strong chance in Thailand because it is high quality and fits health-conscious consumers. We recommend a gradual market entry starting in big cities. We should also partner with local distributors. And for our business potential, Thailand is a good market because people there are becoming more health conscious and dairy demand is increasing. With ASEAN trade benefits, we can reduce costs and enter the market more easily.
The biggest risk in our market entry plan is maintaining the freshness of the milk during transportation and distribution. Since our product is fresh and has a short shelf life, it requires proper handling, especially in a foreign market like Thailand. To manage this risk, we will use cold chain logistics such as refrigerated storage and transport to keep the milk fresh, and safe. We will also partner with an experienced local distributor to test the market and avoid large losses. By doing this, we can reduce risks while ensure product quality and customer satisfaction.
So investors should choose Bukidnon Premium Fresh Milk in the Thailand market because it offers a clear gap, strong demand, and strategic advantage. First, Thailand has a growing demand for dairy but still relies on imports, which creates a real opportunity for new students. Second, our product fits perfectly in the mid-range niche. It is fresher and more natural than local brands, but more affordable than premium imports from countries like Australia and New Zealand. This positioning allows us to attract a wide range of consumers. Lastly, our strategy partnering with local distributors, targeting cafes and consumers, and emphasizing healthy and quality makes the business practical, scalable, and competitive. In short, this opportunity combines high demand, clear market positioning, and visible entry, making it a strong and attractive investment.
If our strategy does not perform well in the first year, we will adjust our pricing and improve our marketing. We will also gather customers' feedback so that we could understand the market better. So we are ready to adopt and improve our strategy to achieve better results.
Our strongest competitive advantage is the freshness and high quality of Bukidnon dairy milk coming from Bukidnon, which is known for its clean environment and strong dairy production. For example, our milk is much fresh because it comes directly from local farmers, unlike other products na kailangan pa mag-travel from longer distances. This makes it more natural, nutritious, and safe immune for consumers in Thailand who prefer healthy products. This allows us to position it as a premium and healthy milk, which is aligned with Thailand's growing demand for natural products. In the long run, we can maintain this advantage through proper quality control, cold chain storage, and strong branding. However, since competitors can also improve, we need to keep innovating and maintaining quality so customers will continue to trust our brands. Let us be consistent in improving our products so that mag-expand pa ang atong business dito sa Thailand. Let us make improvement as the foundation of our business.